In a further step of wider adoption of blockchain technology in various industries, Blockchain Metal Company is making trading copper easier and safer than ever before by utilizing Ethereum, the world's leading programmable blockchain. Blockchain Metal Company's new token, the Untitled, represents a standardized negotiable electronic warehouse receipt in accordance with Section 475 FF. HGB, German Commercial Code, and can be exchanged for 1 kilogram of grade A copper cathodes each, standard future contract quality. Using this token, physical and financial traders, investors, and consumers alike will all now be able to more safely and efficiently trade copper under a single decentralized platform. Blockchain Metal Company prides their new system on cost efficiency and simplicity, as it enables a trader to deal with fewer intermediaries and lowest fees as everything is done on the Ethereum blockchain. BMC takes responsibility for the logistics, the customs and storage of the purchased copper for the ETO participants, until it reaches the end customer, which makes it tremendously simple for the trader to trade copper. BMC has indeed included the utilization of smart contracts for their ETO participants, as it's known as the safest method for online deals via the Ethereum blockchain. BMC also minimizes risk for the trader via elimination of operational risks that additional intermediaries create. ChuCoin, as Ethereum blockchain is considered unhackable, will be the safest certificates for ownership of copper online. Blockchain Metal Company was founded in 2018 in Istanbul with the vision to create a superior trading instrument, provide the required infrastructure, and become the global facilitator for metal commodity trading. Prices discovered at the London Metal Exchange are universally recognized as the global standard for base metals pricing. We will use this market price in contracts with suppliers as well as clients, ensuring fair and transparent pricing. The Ethereum blockchain will be used as technical infrastructure mainly due to its smart contract functionality, wide distribution, as well as large developer and user communities. According to mining.com, over 200 copper mines currently in operation will have reached the end of their productive life before 2035. Unless new investments arise, existing mine production will drop from 20 million tons to below 12 million tons by 2034, leading to a supply shortfall of more than 15 million tons. The green energy revolution will be the primary driver for the demand of copper in the coming years. ChuCoin, ticker CMX, is an electronic negotiable warehouse receipt exchangeable for 1 kilogram of grade A, 99.99% to 99.97% purity, copper cathodes each in accordance with Section 475 CFF. HGB, German Commercial Code, in the form of an unforgeable certificate, programmed on the Ethereum blockchain as ERC20 token. Warehouse receipts are legally defined documents that provide proof of ownership for an underlying asset, for example copper cathode, that is stored in a warehouse. Negotiable warehouse receipts allow for the transfer of ownership without having to deliver the physical asset. Each coin is exchangeable for 1 kilogram of grade A copper cathodes stored in Blockchain Metal Company warehouses, with the initial warehouse located in the Federal Republic of Germany. Utilizing blockchain technology creates the most secure, efficient, and convenient platform to keep track of and trade warehouse receipts. The public key of an e-wallet function as ID for holders, and the private key functions as a transaction validation system similar to a signature. The certificates are unforgeable and the system is considered impossible to hack. Certificates can be viewed together with their smart contract and information on an easily accessible public ledger, for example etherscan.io. All transactions are recorded on the public ledger with timestamps, Thus information on inventory or trading data can be obtained easily, enabling traders to predict prices better. The advantages: smart contracts, efficiency, flexibility, accessibility, security, transparency. Brilliant tool in connection with smart contracts. Smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain allow trusted transactions and agreements to be carried out among distant parties without the need for external enforcement mechanisms such as banking tools commonly used in the physical trade of commodities, for example letter of credit. With ChuCoin as the connection between the Ethereum blockchain and tangible copper, both payment and delivery obligations in a trade deal can be verified and executed a turn-in-turn, by programming a simple smart contract, thereby replacing the need for banking tools. How it works. ETO participants buy physical copper in small quantities. Blockchain Metal Company buys copper in bulk. Copper is delivered and stored in our warehouse. ChuCoin MBX is delivered to e-wallets of participants for each kg of copper they bought during the ETO. Traders, investors, and consumers can easily access ChuCoin through multiple portals online. The demand for ChuCoin is driven by the industries that need copper in their production. ChuCoin is a practical way for factories to source copper. Holders can exchange ChuCoin MBX for physical copper at any time. A withdrawal fee of 0.5% of the then market value of the total amount of withdrawn copper applies in addition to any transportation costs. Metal Blockchain Exchange will be launched either during or shortly after the initial token offering, depending on the performance of the initial token offering. Users will be able to trade our metal-backed crypto assets against USD, EUR, BTC, or ETH. Initial token offering step by step. Step 1, Registration. Future participants register on www.metalbx.com. Step 2, Verification. Through email, participants confirm their registration by signing the ETO agreements electronically and together with this provide their payment origin, Ethereum wallet address and KYC information. Step 3, Collection of funds. Verified registrants are given account and payment details to which they send their contribution. Step 4, Bulk purchase of copper. Funds will be pooled in fiat until the bulk purchase is made from our supplier. End of each stage. Step 5, Physical delivery. Physical copper is shipped to our storage facility in Germany. BMC engages an inspector for quality and transport inspections at the loading and destination port. Step 6, Digital delivery. ChuCoin MBX is sent out to registered and verified e-wallets after the physical copper has been safely stored and inspected for specifications and quality. ETO details. Start Q2 2020. Duration 12 months. Stages 5 Hard cap / stage $15 million Soft cap / stage $5 million Accepted currencies fiat / crypto. Min purchase $300. Legal framework. All information regarding the content of the warehouse receipt will be embedded in the smart contract code of the ERC20 token. The storage agreement between the ChuCoin MBX buyers and Blockchain Metal Company will be made according to German law. The German Commercial Code permits the issuance of electronic warehouse receipts when the authenticity and integrity of the system are ensured. Crypto assets and their smart contracts are unforgeable and considered to be unhackable, satisfying the authenticity and integrity requirement of Section 475(c)(4) HGB. Trading of the ChuCoin MBX warehouse receipt is done as easily as any other crypto transfer and satisfies all requirements for a compliant change in ownership. Public IDs of ERC20 wallets pose as a means of identification of the holder, and private keys authorize transactions and replace signatures. As warehouse receipts are not classified as securities under German jurisdiction, and most other jurisdictions around the world, Other formality requirements typically required for a valid transfer of securities do not apply, allowing for the trade of Chucoin MBX on unregistered DEXs and other exchanges, and thus creating potential for high trading volumes across multiple marketplaces. Yet Blockchain Metal Company will be launching their own in-house exchange to prevent any liquidity issues after the launch of their first product. Fee token MBX is a discount coupon for costs and services of the Blockchain Metal Company, and it is pegged at $1 per token. It can be used to pay for fees on Metal blockchain exchange or for fees during the procedure of exchanging Chucoin MBX to physical copper. Effectively, this means ETO participants can trade their copper for free for a long time. The initial token offering is not launching until 2020, however, a non-binding registration for the ETO is already online and offers a 5 FMX bonus for early registrants. For more information and registration procedures, visit Metalbx.com.